Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how to enable the developer options at the Huawei Y5 in the version of 2018. So first we have to go to the point settings, then we have to scroll down until we have the point system, and then we need the first point about phone. So then the build number is very important because you have to tap that build number for 7 times and then you are a developer. Okay, and if you go back now one step, you will see here now the developer options. Just tap on it and you're now able to enable the USB debugging or the stay awake mode and all the other stuff the developers knows about more. And yeah, then go just back and do your thing with transferring data or whatever you want to do. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I hope I could help you with this video. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for a thumbs up. It's always very helpful. Thank you so much. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in. It would be a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.